one of the first women that we featured on Her Story. She's an amazing lady. So she's a fitness freak. She runs Contours International, which is a women's only gym in India.
Everybody wants weight loss, we understand that. But very few people understand what goes into being fit. You need to understand that fitness, there are 3 aspects to fitness. One is your cardiovascular fitness, but the more important thing for a woman particularly is muscle training. It's called strength training. And the third aspect of fitness, which we often ignore, is flexibility. So you need to have great flexibility of joints to be able to feel good about yourself. If you're going to be stiff all the time, that you can't bend or you can't lift something, then half that, the reward of physical fitness is lost. So you need to have all 3 aspects to be optimally fit.
Thank you so much. It was very, very inspiring because seldom I see, as women, we talk about our health and especially, at least our mother's generation, we never used to talk about health. I think the most important thing for us is to take care of ourselves. And the most important thing is to love ourselves.
Soon you're going to hear women from different walks of life share the story of their life.
I was a senior product manager in ESPN Cricinfo, one of the sports website, and that's when I kind of quit my job and I said, okay, enough of comfortable life and let's find out something else. And I did soul searching for almost 2 years after that. And that's when I took up this entrepreneurship, where I've just launched an initiative called ethnicshack.com.
I'm the director of Gemstone Universe. I'm an astrogemologist, an astrologer, and a certified gemologist. We endeavor to bring Vedic astrology to people with logic, presenting it as a science, as it should be, as it deserves to be, and explain to people in the manner it should be.
Getting to work with everybody as an entrepreneur. So, it gave me an option to work with 10 different entrepreneurs at the same time. So that was the challenge and that was the fun.
I was one of the first women in our generation, unmarried, from Malleshwaram, Kannada speaking family, to go into the world of nightlife, as they like to call it. But I found that as women, if we decide to stand behind what we believe in, and if we believe that what we're doing is right, then you can always achieve great success.
Even today, as I speak, I have 2-3 cousins who actually send their sons to English medium school, while their girls are sent to Telugu medium or Tamil medium schools, and then after 10 they are cut off from all the education, and in 2 years' time they are married off. So we are talking about 2014, and this is the reality. And I want to change that.
I found what is it that I really love. I'm a travel enthusiast. I just love traveling, and I'm a fitness enthusiast, and that's why I made it, to this meeting today. So right now I'm in such a happy phase of my life where I'm doing what I love doing, which is planning honeymoons. And why I love it so much is that when these couples go on their honeymoon and they come back so happy, it gives me a kick.
What a great evening it has been. We can see women all around us. We had a fantastic meetup where we got women to share their stories. We are proud to have hosted this event, and we are glad that your story is bringing more and more stories of women to the world.